Looking for the easiest way to create AI images without complex settings? In this video, we'll install Fooocus from GitHub, a lightweight, beginner-friendly AI image generator built on Stable Diffusion. Before we start, make sure you have an NVIDIA GPU with at least 2 GB of VRAM. First, we will download Fooocus from GitHub. We unzip the downloaded file and get a Fooocus folder. We will open the run.dat file to use Fooocus. On first launch, Fooocus will load the necessary resources, so it will take quite a while. Fooocus will automatically open the browser. We will try to create image from text. The resulting image is very beautiful. We edit the parameters by checking the Advanced box. We can choose preset according to our preference. In the Performance tab, we can choose the image creation speed. Quality will give beautiful images, but the creation time will be longer. We can also choose the output image ratio. We can choose the number of output images, image type, and negative prompt. Now, we will see the image results in quality mode. In the Styles tab, there are many options depending on what style you want to create your image. I will try in 3D model style. In the Model tab, we can change Checkpoint or LoRa. I will guide you to change Checkpoint. Open Civitai and go to the Model tab. Please filter according to the video to get the SDXL model that suits your food. I will download a checkpoint on Civitai. After downloading, we will move the checkpoint to the correct folder containing the checkpoint of focus. Now we need to refresh the file to load the newly downloaded checkpoint. I will try a prompt available in Civitai to create the image. That's it! You've successfully installed Fooocus and generated your first AI image in just minutes. All commands are in the pinned comment below. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more AI tool tutorials and creative guides.